Graham from Boatshed. This is the huge, well-protected aft deck on a 22-metre Luxe motor barge. 22 metres by 4.4, so really nice dimensions. And this aft deck goes straight into a huge wheelhouse saloon, a most unusual conversion. Barge dates from 1911. That conversion started taking place in just 2008. Now look at these wide, well-protected side decks. That's easy for even me to get my girth down here. It's a real pleasure. The whole boat was repainted in 2019. A couple of issues just here on the foredeck, which are being looked into and will be rectified in the very near future. Forehatch is aluminium. That's a nice little touch. Nice and easy. Lots of working space for your rope work here. Good practical boat for navigation, and how about that? For the sun lizards in your crew, that's huge. Spin round, just take a look. Down in the forepeak, nice access. You see easy access to your bow thruster there. You can see the air conditioning unit. Just spin around, have another look down the length of those gunnels. Easy, practical boat for working and a super boat for recreation. I'm Graham from Boatshed. If you'd like any more information, all my contact details are on this page. I'd be happy to hear from you.